Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLE 450 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath here it is a 3-liter inline 6 turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 20-inch wheels. A macchiato beige MB text interior with a natural grain brown ash wood trim, ambient lighting, sunroof, GLE 450, 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, touchscreen media display. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how can I help?
Turn heated seats on."
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Simple as that. You're able to use it and give it voice commands. Surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 450 has 14,248 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.